Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up TP-Link Deco X10. First, take out the Deco units, power adapters, and the Ethernet cable. Then, plug one Deco X10 into a power outlet and wait until the LED starts flushing blue, which means it is ready for setup. Now, turn off your modem. Next, connect the modem to the Deco X10 using the Ethernet cable. After that, turn the modem back on and wait 1 to 2 minutes. Here, the Deco light should be flashing blue. Then, download the TP-Link Deco app from the Play Store or App Store. Now, open the app and log in or create a TP-Link ID. Next, tap Let's Begin. After that, select Deco X10 from the list and choose the internet connection type. For most users, select Dynamic IP, which is automatic. Use PPPoE only if your ISP provided a username and password. Now, set your Wi-Fi name or SSID. Then, set a strong Wi-Fi password and tap Next so the Deco can apply the settings. After that, your phone will reconnect automatically. Next, plug the second Deco into another room. Then in the app, tap Add another Deco and wait for the solid green light, which means it is connected successfully. Here, place the Decos halfway between the router and weak signal areas for best coverage. After that, open the Deco app, go to More, then Update Deco and install the latest firmware for better speed and stability. Finally, enable fast roaming by going to More and then Advanced. Now, enable QoS to prioritize gaming or streaming and set up a guest network if needed. To check out this product, tap the link given in the description. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.